Hey, it's Lisa, Fossil Finding Female, on this 8th of January, 2024, and my car has been kind of not starting since last night, so I'm at my friend's house, and I do have some pretty cool stuff in the car, so that's what I'm going to show you real quick, some of these. It is getting mighty cold, though. I had replaced my fuel filter and my fuel pump, and I had to solder, take my fuse box all apart. Oh my gosh. Now I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with it. It's probably the fuse, but I've had it for 18 years, so it's done me wonderful. Ford Expedition. It's got the big Triton 5.4 motor in it. It's been great. It's got 300,000 miles. I guess that's when it kind of starts to go out, right? Anyway, I hope you're doing well. These are some I found when I was up in Oro Grande. A nice L for Lisa, or love, or that's a little bit of oil I had in my car. This right here looks like it could have been a polisher. See how it's all flat and this. I think this is a head of something. That would be the eye there and the eye there. You can see the shape of the head. Oh, it'd be nice to find out, though, for sure. We're finding out more and more stuff every day, so I'm sure eventually, if it's not the end of the world, we find out all these mysteries. But the sun is beautiful going down. Look at that. You can see so much in New Mexico. Nice little palm tree. But you can't see that well. I find a lot of this stuff. I don't really know what it is. It could just be coprolite, some sort of poop from something. Or it could be an organ. Who knows? It could be a rock, right? Who knows? It is a rock now anyway. It's hard as a rock. Yes. That is very fine. Something or another. I put this in my pocket so I don't lose that one. This one is pretty nice here. See how flat that is? And then how and it could even be claws for all we know. I don't know. Or teeth. And then this one, I really thought right here was something they've made too, because of the way it's chipped here. Chipped off, flaked off, whatever you want to say. And then if it's right-handed, let's see. Oops, sorry. Can't hold on to the thing very well. See, don't that look like it's something that was made? Or what do you think? I had taken most everything out before I left yesterday, because you don't need to be paying gas for all these, heavy stones carrying around, rocks all over, So I had emptied a bunch of them. Can't wait to go through them. That's the funnest part. These aren't that thrilling. This one I think is an actual heart, a real heart that is fossilized. Does kind of look that way, but I don't know for sure. That's just what I personally think. See, we're also compartmentalized. Me being like an ER nurse, I don't know all this stuff about geology and paleontology, and that's what they count on. So until you start doing both, you start going, wow, like this looks like biology, not geology. And I would truly believe it is, but we shall one day find out, hopefully soon. That was kind of a nice heart right here. No, it has it, but it also looks, if you look at it, it also looks like it could have been a face, a head of something. Smashed. That would be the mouth, right? If I could do right here. The eye. That's where the rest of the body joined in is back here. Let's see, we got some under here. Yeah. Oh, it's so cold. I gotta make this quick. My goodness. See right there? Looks like an eye right here. But I know it may not be. I'm just saying it does look like it could have been something alive. See that right there? Looks like it could have been a bird's head. That would be the beak, and then the eye right there. This one I just set down, huh? Here's another one that I thought could have been made, because I find so many exactly like this. It may be different material, but the same type cut here, and then it's... But it's either something that used to be alive, biology versus geology, or a tool, or both. Okay. That's got some pretty colors in it. I'm trying to get these... I know this is called a conglomerate. Still looked cool. Flat on that side. And that side looks like there's an eye there, or maybe a beak. Something different. Different than the rest of the face. Da 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 da. Oh. Wow. My fingers are getting cold, cold, cold. Not that impressive. Let's see. What's this? Boop. Well, hells bells. These aren't the greatest ones, but I thought I would do just a quick video to keep up my daily video making, even when stuff ain't going the way I'd like for it to, with my car and such. But she's been good to me for 18 years. I'm not complaining. I just wished it wasn't so cold when she wanted to not start. Anyway, we got like 30 minutes before 10 minutes, so I'll say adios, amigos, and thanks for joining me. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, if you like, of course. If I can get 1,000 subscribers, supposedly, then you can go live. And if anybody else knows a way you can go live without that, please let me know. That'd be great. But yeah, these are some interesting Very, very interesting specimens to study. Look at that going through there. Quite interesting. And what do we got here? That looks like a dinosaur back or something. That could be, coprolite. Ooh. Okay, it's 10 minutes and 30 seconds. So for real, we'll say adios with this guy here. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. That was so interesting right there. God bless, and see you tomorrow on Fossil Finding Female. If you like, check out the ZZ Easy, where I try to do better, be better, share with you too. Also, exercise with me, just 10 minutes a day, you'll feel better. Okay, bye.